This tiny beast hits 4.9 GHz, meet the mini PC that just bullied your bulky desktop. Think size matters? Think again. The Beelink SER8 Mini PC is so ridiculously powerful in such a ridiculously tiny frame, it's giving full-size towers an inferiority complex. Rocking the beastly AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS 8C/16T and integrated Radeon 780 M12 core graphics, this micromonster hits up to 4.9 GHz, handles AAA games, and crushes video editing like it's folding laundry. Designed with Zen 4 architecture and built on TSMC's 4nm process, the SER8 is your next level, no compromises rig, except now, it fits in your palm and doesn't scream like a hairdryer when gaming. Where other mini PCs stutter and choke, the SER8 hits warp speed. With 24GB DDR5 RAM, upgradeable to 256GB, and a blisteringly fast 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, you'll launch programs before your coffee cools. Load times? Practically extinct. File transfers? A blink. And if 1 TB isn't enough for your hoarder heart, this machine lets you expand storage up to 8 TB. That's basically digital hoarder's heaven, minus the performance tax. Fast, expandable, and efficient, this mini PC saves time and money while staying light on your energy bill. But wait, this ain't just a power cube, it's a visual powerhouse too. Triple display support via HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4, and USB 4 lets you spread your productivity, or your Netflix binges, across 3 glorious 4K screens at up to 144 Hz, plus, with Wi-Fi 6 clocking in at a spicy 2.4 gigabits per second, your online presence stays buttery smooth, no Ethernet required. Whether you're video editing, rendering, multitasking, or gaming like a caffeine-fueled ninja, the SER8 keeps up, without tripping over itself or needing external upgrades. Cooling? Covered. This metal-wrapped, whisper-quiet machine uses MSP plus MSC steam chamber tech for elite heat control. Translation. It stays frosty under pressure and doesn't sound like a rocket launch when you open Photoshop. At just 5.3 inches squared, it can disappear behind your monitor or slide into a backpack, no desk takeover required. It's dustproof, durable, and silent, with a fresh intake, exhaust design that means fewer thermal tantrums and longer-lasting components. Longevity? This thing's ready to outlive your next 3 laptops. Is it affordable? For what you get, absolutely. The Beelink SER8 delivers big boy desktop power without the desk-sized footprint or budget-melting price tag. It's FCC, ROHS certified, Linux-friendly, WFH approved, and packed with features like Wake on LAN and Auto Power On. You're not just buying a mini PC, you're investing in a future-proof productivity and gaming machine with 24/7 support and a full-year warranty. TLDR, the SER8 is a no-nonsense, space-saving powerhouse. It doesn't just play in the big leagues, it rewrites the league rules.